people need packaging to preserve goods when they are delivered. There are different types of them: bags, boxes, or trays. All of them look nice, but the problem is that most packaging isn't recycled but dumped in landfills. It takes around 400 years to break down. Few consumers know that they pay not only for goods but for packaging too, because it makes more than 30% of the total weight of solid waste. But if you buy something in bulk, it's better than individually packaged products, because there is less or no packaging. Consumers have to pay attention if packaging is biodegradable or not. This information must be given by a manufacturer on the packaging. All in all, people can solve the problem of recycling if they begin to think not only about what they eat and wear, but how it's packaged.